YouTuber alert. YouTuber alert. YouTuber alert. All of the Portland vlogger them and blogger them and soccer them. That's on the rest. Chin latest. All I wanna speak my mind. YouTube people. YouTube alert. Curly there Jamaica. Rastafari. Look how most me not going in a video today, you know, because me get caught up so busy. I want to look 1 hour, me get a wait for one person to come deal with something for them. And me there and wait and me say, let me go and scroll. And the scroll, me book up on 2 look at somebody Curly and Sophia Dunkley. Sophia Dunkley I call out Rose Vlog. I ask her how she not go a Urian sitting in Canada she live. But Curly there Jamaica people. Me just run come around my yard, come check my letterbox. And check my email because me I say I wonder if me get any lawsuit papers in my email or my letterbox, but the letterbox empty. So that's why me I say YouTube alert, YouTube alert. Wanna be careful. Because it look like circus don't know, so the lawyer have time. Because she said this is not vacation. She have one friend named Odette. You know how she talk about Odette. People are so Odette look. Lord Jesus, but the whole of Curly friend them sound alike, man. Vice tough and coarse. Because if she and Queen was never have problem, honestly people, would have swear say Queen was. And if she never say Odette, would have swear say Queen was. Because me I tell you the woman talk just like Queen was. And me I tell you the whole set of them and set a mix up, you know. The whole set of them is a set a mix up. Curly got ask her say, Curly go say she got the bathroom go pee-pee. I don't know what kind of pee-pee Curly go bathroom go pee-pee. Pee-pee. I tight something pee-pee, man. You don't have nothing for pee-pee out of Curly. I piss you go piss, man. A people with tight something pee-pee. People with something like where you have a piss or no piss. So she said she go bathroom. So she go say turn the camera up on Odette and say I want to talk to them. Odette say no. And then Odette in the background now depend me. I don't want Jennifer come for me for the whole weekend. I don't want Jennifer. So basically, she come to Jamaica with Curly, which out of Jennifer space that Queen was. So she no want Jennifer go tackle her. So you see the whole of them a mix up. The whole of them a set a mix up. But Curly, you feel like you're smarty. As me go and scroll and me see that the picture them me could have tell which part you there. Right over Port Royal over Glorias. The background, the roofing and the wall give away. And then the heavy breeze where I blow. It make me know say you're so close to the seaside and that's Prentice. Not Prentice, Glorias. Over Port Royal. Anyway, people, me not there for stay long. Quick, this a video now stay. I don't think this a video I do 15 minutes, but me there for bring the stone account. I never there get nothing at all. But through me see it, at after the press me have to carry it come. So you know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. Run go over there go support. Subscribe, like, share and watch the video them same way. And follow me up on TikTok also. A whole heap of things I talk over there. When me I talk over there. Me I talk over there. Alright? Plus, remember now. One nation stands alone. So no know what? Run over on the website of charmsandtrend.shop. Purchase one of your 30 ounce, 40 ounce cup. Real stainless steel. No fake stainless steel but as you left to go water in there rusty. Quality goods, affordable price. You go over there see a lot of things. Gym buckles, water buckles for the gym goers, wine glass, tea cups, cocoa melon buckles for the kids. You know, bracelet made from good real rhinestone, not easily change, and it based on how you treat it. If you treat it well, the elastic that's used to, you know, them because last time you don't have to stretch it out and you just fold your fingers like this and you put it on and you just slide it on. Most of you people when you're not putting these things on, you know, stretch them so it stretch elastic and burst it. But quality rhinestone. Just check out the website of Charms and Trend. Anything you see over there, you get it customized to your liking. We have different shapes of these tumblers that you'd have called cups in 30 ounce, 40 ounce. You have it with angle. As I said, this is without angle. You request what you want. You can get your name on it. You can get a line of your favorite song on it. 2 lines from your favorite psalms on it. You just name it. Alright? You get your picture on it. So just run up on the website. The t-shirts, Speak My Mind t-shirts are there. Life is a Mission t-shirts are there. Limited amount of caps are there. Speak My Mind caps. There's no Life is a Mission caps. Speak My Mind caps only up there. Because the caps don't make in America. Right? So basically, I send up the caps them, a few caps at times when I have friends going up. Yeah. If me have some order now for caps now, I could have send up some tomorrow. Because somebody will go up tomorrow. But I don't have no order. And I have enough caps up there. But it's limited amount anyway. So I just run on the website and support. When I support the website, remember, want to help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Remember, I have a little adapted program and I run where I give back to 2 needy somebody. It's supposed to be 5, but I only can manage 2 for the time being. So I continue do the 2 where I committed to until I can do 5. No one again me bitch and Raymond if it dead they can bitch him, and if it not dead them have to just go and wait till them can come on upon the system. And that's how I do it, by you supporting my merch and the website of charmsandtrend.shop. Support the channel, watching the ads, and I have a few people who randomly will send something when them see and like where I go on. But when you send, remember what you send is for me to give me, so I can buy water and my snowman to grease the throat. Dry throat reasoning can't work, but I choose to give it to the needy. You understand? And not the greedy. And I have my little A team. When them see the needs and them have it and can send it, they will send it. Alright? Bless up my A team who don't want to the name call out, but to know yourself, because you know the role you want to play. At times, bless up on yourself. Alright? Yeah. Anyway, I could get into the Sohpie video first with she going off a Rose kitchen and vlog. Asking why. I don't know if she feel like Rose obligated to she or obligated to social media to come out here and say why did not she attend your graduation. Yes, many other people might be asking the same questions. People might speculate what might be the reason and whatsoever and stuff. So really and truly, yes, people might have speculate, but she have no obligation to none of us out here to come out here and tell us what happened. People have said she and Dana look like them have differences. She has said this. People have said all kind of things. So, as me say, she not want none with an obligation. You understand? If she feel like come out here, come say why she did not turn up at or make herself available for Urian graduation, or why she did not go whatsoever, it's her business. If she wish not to do so, it's her business. She's her own big woman. She not own nobody, no obligation to come out, come talk, or say what she have to say. Alright? So, wanna listen she come at the woman, because you don't know them are gonna choose every little thing to jump on them platform and talk about, not considering say, okay, the woman her own big woman, whatever transpires, so be the case, make it stay there. So me are some people that comment and say, Rose a idiot, Rose a babysitter, Rose a tarot, Rose a war. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm telling the big people. You understand? And at the same time, if the same thing has been said by both Uno and friends or acquaintance of Uno, Uno don't have problem with it, but Uno want to come say the same thing. Uno don't have problem with if somebody come out and talk of things pertaining to Uno acquaintance and friends, and even Uno self. You understand? Uno don't have problem with Uno want to come out here come do the same thing to others. Anyway, I could hear she say, because I say I'm not coming along here.
Rose blog. Yeah, like I work this morning, so I have to do this live, this one this morning. Come here.
Drinking sorrel people.
Why did you go to your graduation? Why you never go to your graduation? In Rose blog, what you have to write a long paragraph about what people are hypocrite, people are double standard, and all of these stuff. You know, say he's a snake and he's a troublemaker. Who you attack? 360, Ladana, Granny Rebuttal, and so many more. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. Everything you jump in at people comment is a problem. Is a problem. Rose, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Rose? In Rose blog, what's wrong with you? In Rose blog, let me see how we should write. Rose, you need to do better.
So is this the reason why you come out? Because you see that, because I don't see it, you know. I say me just a scroll and book up these people to me have a little time for my hand. Probably me can't even get to upload this video as when me done it, because by them time the man them good have call me only what me can done. That's why me I try to do it quick and fast, even 120 minutes or so. But what me I say, is it that the paragraph where you claim say she right make you come out against her, but at the same time the one are one big woman, there is so many things you are right on your platform where you should even not talk about, you should even worry about. You understand? You dig so deep in a people's private affairs sometimes. We have to really wonder. So why if the woman come out and say what she have to say still be a problem to you when you or somebody even do worse than that?
You need to do better.
It is the norm now for Patakos Keckle. It is the norm now for Patakos Keckle.
What is wrong with you, Rose Blog? What is wrong with you? What kind of paragraph this you are going to write? In Rose Blog? What kind of paragraph is this? Hear what Rose Blog write. Edit. I respect the young man, mom, friendship with the lady. The lady Mataki now. I won't say anything bad about him publicly. I know I was voting for him, and I even said in the comment section not to unsubscribe for him. But when I saw his comment, I was irritated. No, we don't need a one day. We don't need a one day. We don't need a one day. Let me talk about urine. You saying go on? Alright. On January 28, 23, I contacted Urine Miller because I saw his video asking for help to further his education. I put him on my platform to tell his story. Hopefully he could get some help towards his GoFundMe, which he did. It wasn't a lot, but I thank God for a few of my followers who did go and donate.
She come live and speak this, so me never know that there is some hassle.
He was my nephew. They disgraced me in the worst way. I did make sure to state that my maiden name is Miller, but we are not family. I don't know him. That's not stopping them. They still attack me, which I respond to a few of the idiots. How do you feel now? You all tear down the woman child.
What me I say? We are this, sir.
Because some of you don't know the feeling of giving birth to a child, and if you couldn't have a child, that's okay. But it happened to give you the right to drag the young man. You know, say you're a troublemaker. You're a rash troublemaker.
In what way that right. Makes you be a troublemaker?
People like you, I won't want to be in the same room with. You are disgusting, evil, wicked liars. She's the lowest of the low. I can't believe some of you.
So you say she a true word then?
Sick. I don't understand.
Eh? So basically, probably you say she a true word. I don't have a great understanding of it, you know, people. But I did listen Rose on her live speaking about the same thing when she said she write. I don't know if she end up write it and post it, but almost the same things that she read a while ago. I have heard Rose speak at some. I never know if I don't know. I shouldn't say I never know. I don't know if there is some animosity towards the live or where she write as how she make it, because yeah, she say you're a troublemaker, you know, like when you say something or you do something and people that say you make trouble because what you do, yeah. So probably basically what she trying to say, where Rose said in whatsoever she read, the paragraph she read, Rose true what Anna said things. Well, me don't know. Anyway, come like Rose come out back at her. Me see that little 1 minute video with her. Wanna listen.
Come here, Rose Blog. Let me ask you a question. Me never disrespect you by any way, shape and form. But you see, Uno, because I hate get the best of you. Rose Blog, you say me look unstable. Jesus Christ. If you say me unstable, I don't know what class or category.
Come and make it before this man you can call me.
Because
start business before pleasure.
Which position? First, second, or third, or last? Let me tell you something. The question is, why didn't you go to urine graduation? Who stopped you? Guess what? You're going to go put up GoFundMe. You understand, boy? You're caring and you're seeing and you want to highlight it. Go away. You don't have motive. Go exercise. Go exercise. Go live.
Anyway, people, as I say, people are out the road me today. when me do that little recording in Marcia video, when she did the live over Glorias, over Port Royal, and the place is kind of windy, so windy which part she there plus windy which part me there, because we have a strong wind for the past 2 weeks. We don't know where it come from. So wanna listen keenly for me, please, for hear what Marcia say. Alright? Because the wind really there take we have more sight. Alright? And look most as I say, no get no video, good to me I scroll and see them two little piece of video. I say me I make even one like a 20 minutes video go no. I can see where I go on. Cause I kinda tie up. Or hope me can upload it for I get it. So listen up, Marcia now. So all bloggers, anyone wanna get any message from on the email yet? Anyone wanna get any letter in on the letterbox yet? Shane, latest the Portlanders them. Marcia is in Jamaica. Cause Marcia can't do foreigner threat no about lawsuit and all kind of physical threat. And she end up come to Jamaica, call it say 4 times since the year start, or 3 times. And all now she not visit nobody yet. With a farmer, what they call it now, physical confrontation. Or if she want to take it to the law, present us with any lawsuit or any cease and desist. Me not understand. Ma say that Jamaica again. You say you're not there for a vacation. And the only time people fly so often is this an emergency or business. And not even fly so often, fly upon such a short time, I should say, not often. Upon such a short time. Just a weekend getaway, because them son of she and other son of vacation, a weekend getaway. But Marcia, you don't have it like that. So you all this way you do and come and eat and have show fish and shrimp and sitting where you eat. It's just to come out here to prove to social media so you can fly come to Jamaica, yes. Because you can't go on like a $500 and come to Jamaica if you want 2 days. Certain other country you can't go with that. Because you always sit down and check the equivalent of Jamaican dollars. Any average Jamaican can eat where your dog Glorias are eat. Any, even the youth them on the street where wipe glass can pay for that meal where you eat over Glorias. But you come to a shrimp and fish, you come. Yeah. For mago for the camera. Because you feel like you eat something out of the range where anybody can buy. You alone. And you're not here for a vacation, because a vacation is like a week and over. You're just here for a weekend getaway. You know them rich people talk? Just to prove to social media. What we want you do, we want you fly down for them like a weekend. Yeah. The house wants some more gravel and some more sand and cement, and you just say, alright, me I fly down instead of send the money, me I fly down this weekend for the Friday, Saturday and go back Sunday. Just to come see how things are progress and stuff, and you look on the house and you say, alright, yes man, from the last time I come, a lot of work has done. Instead of you have somebody that tell you and rob your money. You know, because that I go on frequently in Jamaica, you know. Yeah. And you fly up back. Not just to come out here if you come prove to social media. For something where you don't really have. All these money where you spend for do this, you should have save it. You come and show your auntie house. And it here depend on if you come back to Jamaica for. It not gonna look good if you come back with that the house there. And you know, improve it and build pan it or build round it or lick it down and take the space and build up a nice, you know, 3 or 4 bedroom apartment. Or 1 2-story building. It not gonna look good if the house that you want to come back to, you come and show it. And when for the documents you come look about feet. Because you say nobody not living in for how long, you know. My night documents and you come look about feet for living at the same house instead of improve it. Build around it, lick it down, or you add to it and make it look more modern. Big old cellar house you come and show people. Alright, yes, I know. Right, yes, so disgust me. She dead and she a eat. The people them serve her a napkin. She said the place is very windy. She allowed the napkin to blow away. Then now the young miss must serve her. Una go like una tap on her on some old big old dirty drunk. You come like the drunk where me say land right and mocha office up a anti-corruption there so. Yes man. Una some drunk man, una no body man. Here she a call. Hello, come here. And at them say them a celebrity. If you need some more napkin and you call the girl to say what you gonna say to her, call the girl better than that. You wouldn't want nobody even call you much as you call you come here. So basically he's trying to look down on this young miss, you know. To how you approach a young miss, you know, just to get back some napkin where you already get and make blow away, you know. And look here, look down upon the young miss, you know. Just to listen how you talk to her, you know. Just because the young miss want, you might want tell her, say, oh, this is how you get tip and this is how you get that. Suppose the young miss don't want a tip, she was within the glad for work for her salary. If who want tip her, that don't mean she have to go the extra mile to get the tip. So she will come sit alongside of you and watch you eat when other people out there gonna want to serve. I gonna share on half of the floor. So what she do for you? Come sit alongside of you. If you want the bone to throw away her piece, each up in your gum, she pick it out with a tweezer. Eh? And that you did want? Wanna listen to her?
Sorry, they call up me. I didn't know that. No, you can't watch me to come and ask if you're alright. You know, just say get tip. When you work in a restaurant, you know, you have to come back and forth and ask. If we need one napkin, if we need that glass of water, and it's up there. Huh? Make us some napkin, please, can I blow it?
The music are playing in the background, people. But every next to video, yeah. You hear her? The girl need more training. What the girl need more training for? To serve you, and within every 5 minutes she come around and ask you if you're alright. You are the only person there. Is it that you book somewhere and you book her as your personal servant? Did you go to Gloria's and book that young miss as your personal servant, so she's supposed to be with you and make sure you're okay, or question you every 5 minutes if you're okay? You feel like you alone she did if you serve? How long now you don't come to Gloria's? How much days a week, or how much days of the month, or how much days of the year you go to Gloria's? Eh? That the woman will sit down and wait and make sure everything you want you're okay? Who you told? Just because you might get a little tip? Maga you have a tip on them.
Is to jump in the swimming pool. That'd be great. Balance everything out. Just jump in the swimming.
How you look? Pretend like you're there on 5-star resort. Gloria's have swimming pool now. Oh, sorry. I just see you. A swimming pool, because she have options. She can choose which side of the sea she want to go. Because the only thing left to do now is jump into the swimming pool. What swimming pool? She never say the only thing left to do now is get into a swimming pool now. Is to jump into the swimming pool. You know, like when you have a 5-star resort and you know the cafeteria and you have something and the swimming pool is just a few steps away and you just say, oh, the only thing left now for me to jump into the swimming pool. What swimming pool there are Gloria's? And the hype life were in our head, you know. Yes man, the hype life were in our head. And it's only Jamaica she can come on for vacation, you know, because in her head the equivalent of $1,000 is $100,000 that can carry for a week or so in a Jamaica. probably nowhere else in the world, away from some other little small island she can go. Because the value of the US dollar is not that strong like how it's strong in a Jamaica. And that's why most of them when you see I go at them hype run come to Jamaica, all they hear them a ball at all, Jamaica expensive, you know. Yeah. But some place where you go, your dollar is probably just $1.5 extra. Or just $1 for $1. Just $1 for $1 some other places. But Jamaica, you check it and say it's 100 and hard for one. So you run come here.
That's all. That's it. Jump in the swimming pool. Other difference. Vacation requires 7 days of vacation. They want to come now for a book match. No, I can wrap it up. I'm not giving me that, but show me the festival.
Here the big dirty celebrity. The girl asks her, so what you gonna do with this? Cause she must have one festival or two left in the plate. Just remember, man, that's a festival. That's not like a half a fish or a half serving of lobster or a half serving of shrimp. One or two little festival. Here she tell the girl, no, wrap it up. She not gonna dash her festival. And at them you come on social media play like them a big superstar, them a big deal, them have it all. Poor little me now no want that it just dash way. You understand? What kind of rap you go rap? And that's why your place full of so much roach and rat all your van. Because most of you eat and you yam, can't yam off the rest of the sitting. What you do, you fold it up and put it somewhere in your house or somewhere in your van and forgot it. Because everywhere you pass, you want something for yam. So if you got to say they have that, then now it attract roach. You're a big deal. You're not supposed to go to a restaurant and a yam and a left. Whatever you yam and left, you left with them and like I want half serving away you get to eat. That could have considered as bin food, dog food, whatever food, but you still a carry it home. Eh? Two local festival. You tell a girl to wrap up? Good God, Marcia, man, you're a big deal and you have money in a multi-million-dollar work. You're not supposed to do them there's something. They leave that to me and some other like people who can't afford it. You have too much money for you to go to a restaurant and so you eat nyam and left. Not eat and left. Nyam and left. What you don't want. At the time you can't consume no more. But you just feel for left it for going in the bin. You want it to wrap up. You want it to put in a box. Take out box. School you too. That's a big deal.
You out here last night, but we understand. And 2 nights now, I'm missing from there 2 days. I'm supposed to be missed. It's good to be missed. It's not enough to the fire. Me still not say everything. Look at the party. I pay a chat, them a chat me. While them a chat me, I laugh over them. Me still me a watch.
While them a chat you take clean. Hey!
And we did Eddie they chat me while me well nice and comfortable.
All you mean while you take clean them a chat you.
Them will a chat me while me nice and comfortable on it. Nice breadfruit and ackee, saltfish and set what it. Right after that, we go country already now. To this morning. Me dey a country, go have a country. See me nice auntie all house there.
And if you're trying to come back 5 I should come look more document for.
Well, of course, me well want that.
Right now you need it.
Yeah. Those are the days when I miss.
Probably if you get to America right now, alright, let's say you're going to leave. But that's why you come and look for it if it's alright.
They say we now set up. Thank you, Claudia. So me support that. Say, but for one in Palma, they go for the sale. When I keep a little secret, I tell them what's going to the sale.
Oh, you know them are your supporters. Them have a tag with your name.
They go to the supporters, they will call and talk that thing.
Other part of surprise me though, Marcia said she a go bathroom go wash her hand and pee-pee. Marcia, as me said earlier, you don't have nothing where pee-pee come out or piss come out of where you have. Piss. When you go to bathroom, it come like a one jackhammer turn on in the bathroom and try to jill out the toilet bottom. Cause so your piss a come out. A elder man of me, where far older me, tell me say anytime you hear a woman go to bathroom and she a piss loud, you know what that mean. Once you piss loud and come out loud, you know what that mean. You know what that mean? Because remember now, you know, if you have a hose with a small nozzle, small nozzle, yeah man, the old man said to me, say, when you hear them piss loud, you see all when them people that bend down all out the road them, and when them get up, the whole of them nasty up, because the weight come out powerful, and not strong, they're strong, you know. The man said because they open up some. So when Marcia she a talk about she a go pee-pee, and people with tight something and them something with the pee-pee. People like you no pee-pee, you piss. Boy, you go pee-pee. Yeah, I don't know. I go chat Jennifer. I have to the video I go down in people. Listen keenly. Cause she not in the camera. I told the whole for nice people who do not hear. Because Marcia asked her, say, you want to go and talk to them? Hear her, no. And then Marcia take off the camera for her. I put it, you want to look on the thumbnail, I see that they on the thumbnail. When Marcia turned the camera upon her. So, hear her, no, me, I want Jennifer come swing for me for the whole weekend. No, sir. Anyway, people. See the man just called me like, what I go do, me I talk apart and pass the video go to the man. So he come to right to me, they even know. Me I go out the road. Cause I'm gone for the car if I come back. And say me can go and upload it on Fim Wi-Fi. If him come back in time, him come back before it done upload, I wanna get knocked. If him not come back, I wanna see it and I know so at the time me make me upload it. Alright, me don't want to go check in. Once me go check in, me can go about my ways. But it have to upload before me can move out of the Wi-Fi. Because if it not upload in the Wi-Fi, the video go crash. But if it upload in the Wi-Fi and go check in, me can go anywhere now. Because it don't upload already. I just check them and check. You know, like all for the music when you hear a play in the back way in the background. I couldn't get to hear all the last part there. So I don't know what to do. I gotta run out here now. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok also, Life is a Mission TV, and please run to support the merch. Check out the website of Charms and Trend, that shop for my t-shirt, my cups, everything you get over there. Customize. Speak my mind merch over there. Alright? Affordable goods, quality goods, affordable price. Peace out. Happy Friday. Stay safe. All who love go after party, after work jam. Be careful. Drink carefully. Drink responsibly. And check your surroundings. I'm out.